So sometimes we have a situation where you want to bill a customer every month for ongoing service. So in our sample company, this is a lawn company. So say you have a customer that you're mowing for them every month and you want to bill them every month. Instead of going to each customer and creating these sales receipts or invoices, you can actually create a reoccurring sales receipt that automatically sends it to them. And you do this by, we're going to go to this little gear icon, and we're going to hit reoccurring transactions. We're going to do new. And our transaction type is going to be sales receipt. We're going to hit OK. So this looks extremely similar to what a normal sales receipt looks like, with a few differences. The first thing is you can name it. We're going to name our template monthly mowing scheduled. We're going to want to create it 3 days in advance, the interval that we put. The customer's going to be Amy's Bird Sanctuary, and we want it to automatically send emails, so this will automatically send her emails every month reminding her of the sales receipt. You can select what interval you want this sales receipt to be recorded on. So this one's on monthly. You could do it daily, weekly, yearly, and you can select what day you want it to be created on. So I'm going to leave it as monthly on the first day of every 1 month. So that means it's going to create the sales receipt on the first day of every month. And the start date, we're going to put today's date. And you can put an ending date or you can leave it as none and it'll just go on indefinitely. So as we scroll down, we're going to put our service, which is mowing. And since mowing is not its current service, we're going to create it real quick. This is a service, so we're going to select service. We're going to call it mowing. And hit save and close. And we're going to charge $150 a month for this. And this is not taxable, so we're going to unselect that. So since this is a sales receipt, this is saying that this is getting paid as soon as it's created. You could create this whenever they're sending you a check every month. This will tell them that they've paid it. Or when a lot of times this is created is whenever you can accept online payments. And it will give you, whenever you select the payment method, it will give you the option of an ACH or a credit card. And whenever you select that, it'll bring up another little box under all of this where you can put in the ACH information or the credit card information. Due to the limitations of the sample company, it's not going to pop up that way for me. Something also to remember if you're going to draft a payment every month, either by ACH or the credit card agreement, is you're going to want to have an ACH or a credit card agreement authorization form signed by you and the customer stating that you can pull the money every month. Like, subscribe, and comment on this video, and we will see you next time.